Oh, almost there, almost there. Come on.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold.
What's up, what's up? I'm Rebuilder Guy, and today we're gonna be talking about the Protester Special and what we got going on so far. We got the windshield replaced, we got the two side glasses replaced. Ended up costing us a couple $100, which wasn't too bad. Right now, we're working on the generator. It powers up when we put starting fluid in there, but it's not actually getting fuel. The fuel pump works, but the line is either clogged or something's jammed up. We're gonna try to put a Mighty Vac on it and suck it up. But what also happened when we were at the glass shop, we asked the guy to leave it overnight because he needed the RV, and this is what happened. Let's see if I can get that for you. Come on, focus, you thing. Let me get down there. Yeah, you see that? They cut it. Freaking pricks. Yeah, and now it sounds like a tractor and a half. Let me see if I can fire this thing up for you. Show you what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, also we were working on the window regulator here because this one's shot. Let's get this thing fired up. Grab the keys. Cold start. Golly, that sounds terrible. Hey Vic, you straight pipe, bro? You hear that? That is terrible. Absolutely terrible. Let's kill this thing before we scare the neighbors away. So inside we were kind of going through all of the essentials essentially, and we started finding a whole bunch of switches and knobs and whatnot. Can't really figure out half of them, so we actually figured out this panel here shows us how much gas we have, what's the fresh tank looking like, the black, the gray, and the battery. I don't have the batteries connected right now, but when you hit test it'll tell you what you got going on. We do have gas, but for some reason the stove doesn't work. We got this regulator here. Yeah, we're not getting any juice here for some reason. Again, some little issue going on. We got the glass all vacuumed up, so that's a start. Definitely need to get another mattress in here. We got some of that black mold moving out of the way. It's not too terrible. I mean, it's still pretty bad, but not as bad as when we first got it. So here, didn't do much. Just kind of getting everything to work for now. Trying to figure everything out. All these lights need to be replaced. They're absolutely jank and garbage. Water, we don't know if the water works yet because we didn't fill anything up. On 110, this fridge does light up, but it's not doing what it needs to do. Again, because the generator here on the side of the couch, there's this button that works for the battery, and for some reason when I press on it, it clicks it out and it doesn't stay in one place. So if you know why it's doing that, why I can't run this thing just on battery power, let me know down below. Oh, also, we've been trying to get right behind here, we've been trying to get this hydraulic leveling system to work. Actually kind of a cool place to put it. It's pretty cool. Yeah, we can't get it to work. We got no power coming to it. So right now there's not really much to show. We're just trying to get all the little things working before we start doing anything aesthetically to it. But this is fun. Victor's starting to hate it, but it is what it is. He bought it. Also, we have this thing here, a track vision. It clicks on and it glows green. Doesn't really work, doesn't turn anything on. Do not know how to get this awning to work either. That's another thing we're working on. Again, propane, don't know what's what's clogging that thing up. Haven't tested the water yet. The 110 plug works, but we definitely need 30 amps to get the AC unit running, and I don't have an RV hookup here at the shop, so we're just kind of using this 110 for now. But right now we're going to try to get this generator cranking and rolling, and I'll be right back. We got fuel. The pump worked pretty good. Vic, it's leaking, bro. He's connecting it to the fuel pump. Then it's gonna come to this line here, to the carb. Where's that button? All right, got the button, but looks like we need some jumper cables because these batteries are kind of dying. Ready? This button fell off for some reason. Not sure why. All right, you ready? Let's prime it. Okay. Doesn't want to prime. Almost. We should probably prime it from the inside. Yeah, that's... Come on, baby. Oh, almost there, almost there. Come on. This switch is bad. You want to hit it from the inside, Vic? Hit it from the inside. You don't need that. Yeah, baby. Woo! Man, everything's flying out of there. Hey, we're in power. We got power, boys. All right, let's go check inside, see what's going on. The goal is to see if those fans will turn on in the AC unit. All right. Anything? Okay. So that works. Good. Fan, Vic? Nothing here. Oh crap. I took out your fuse. You got it? Alright, AC. It's... No, something else is wrong, Vic. I got... Nothing's lighting up here. What about the fridge? Okay, what did we do? Okay, that's on. Okay, what about this fan here? All right, for some reason you're not getting power to half of your... Okay, you got that one to work. "40 degrees, boy. Mode is cool. High. I don't hear anything. Got the unit to blow air, but it's not, there's no AC. I'm afraid the compressor might be shot. Victor's up top right now. I'm gonna see this thing. Any luck? Nothing? Let's go climb up this thing. See what we got. At least the deal is running. I'm scared to walk on this, man. I'm gonna try to step on these beams here. It's blowing out for sure. Let's take this cap off, see if we could see anything. Hey, look, another project. Are we low on Freon? Sounds like the compressor's buzzing, so that's a good sign. That's the high side. No, it's getting cold, Vic. Touch it. Cold, hot, touch it. Maybe it just needs to work through, man. All right, let's jump back inside because it looks like everything else is working. This definitely needs to get cleaned up, Vic. Check this out, man. This is what cools it down. So, get this condenser cleaned up. But the motor looks to be fine. The compressor is working. Let's go inside. All right, back inside. Hey, we got AC. Hey, Vic, it's working. It just needed some time. Hey, AC works, baby. Heck yeah. Leave this thing up and running. That's awesome. All right, that's your update for the Protester Special. See you in the next one. Peace out.